What's up, guys? I'm Boo Carlisle. Welcome back to another episode of Kicking Asphalt. We got big plans today. Me and Fred gonna be in the garage today. So, as most of you know, I'm part of the Cars Tour. So, do the Cars Tour vlog over there for them. Well, they got this race called the Throwback Race. It's been very popular over the years, and it's coming up. Well, I was a huge fan of the Hooters Pro Cup growing up, my teenage years, and that's what the theme is this year, and I wanted to be a part of it. So, I'm part of the Cars Tour family, spend a ton of time on the road with them. So I said, shoot, let's go ahead and get us a Hooters Pro Cup throwback scheme, be a part of the fun on the street stock, maybe try to get a little bit more notoriety. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be getting ready for the wrap. The wrap's on the way. The vinyl's coming from one company. The wrap's coming from another company. It's already late, so we have decided what parts, the easy parts, we're just going to go ahead and paint. So Fred, he's going to lay a little bit of paint today. So let's get started. Got that brand new windshield. Got that thing shine. What are you cleaning the brand new windshield for?
Gotta cover it up. Well, paint don't get on it.
Get you a quick look at Bittersweet before we get started. We planned on wrapping it, but the vinyl ain't got here yet. So it's Thursday before the race, so I think we're about to lay some paint down with our surprise Hooters Pro Cup throwback scheme. Got the side skirts off. Go ahead and get these wheels painted black. We painted them white for that one race. Have a little fun with landing for our first GXS street stock race at Tri-County. That's the last time I raced, so it's been almost 2 months. But go ahead and get these things scuffed up, lay some black down. My Fred takes care of business over here. And just like that, it folds up, cover that brand new windshield. We don't get no paint on it. Well, fan keeps blowing it. Toss you a piece of tape there, Fred. Toss that tape over here. That way I can get some. The original plan was to put vinyl down, but it's taking a little bit longer for the vinyl to get here. The vinyl is coming separate from the decals from GXS, so we're kind of in the 11th hour, if you will. So paint is the next option. It's going to be all black, so just going to paint the roof and the doors and the new quarter panels that Garmin put on. All right, got the side window taped up, windshield. Let's get back here to this back glass now.
Another people don't paint. And he said, it's kind of funny. He's telling sticks.
Fred giving me the 80s pop band culture lesson.
Kind of funny that you get your name.
Go ahead and get this back glass taped down. Touch up size and be ready to lay some Earl Shrine Special. All right, got her taped up, shaped like a bullet, if you will. Fred got his grocery bag out over there, finishing his spot. Now comes the fun part, Fred said, as he tries to get the window covered up.
That goes all you.
All right, we take the outside to the inside, so now it should just unfold like old billboard. And there it is. You think that thing hold up Talladega side window?
I won't hold up that. I'll give it hold up.
What do you think? I might say hold up for some paint. Still no decals yet in the mail, the vinyl nor the decals from GXS. The mail being a little slow today, Fred. Closing in on lunchtime. Got these wheels wiped down. I'll be out there in a minute, spray them. Thought we would have been able to have just the Maverick and the GXS off the hood, but that wasn't the case. So we're just gonna peel the whole wrap off, paint the hood black as well. Last little piece. Grunt, Fred. Grunt. All right, that's done. Let's go to lunch. All right, taped up. Get this one done, then it will be lunchtime. All right, we got her taped up, bagged up. We're gonna roll up here to Zaxby's and meet Coco, Cody Berryman. I know y'all ain't seen him in a while, but said he'd meet us up there. So off to Zaxby's we go. I almost traded Big White in last week. Have to take my North Wilkesboro hauler sticker off before I do that though. Yeah, all right, get on up here to grab us a little bit of lunch. This car get out of the way up here. We'll get there. We'll beat the lunch rush for you. Stop by and check out Greg Pass.
Yeah.
Way back.
That's Greg. Oh, short wheelbase square nose. What's that about? For about 15 years.
How much you gonna offer him for?
$50. Motor probably locked up in it. Transmission probably seized up.
$50.
$50. Yeah, I mean, hell, that's today's going price.
Hell, he couldn't even go to Golden Corral with his old lady for $50.
He just had to go by himself.
Hot dog, it's our lucky day, Fred. We got the green arrow.
Yeah.
All right, everybody get the hell out of the way.
Don't cry down, man. I know you put gas in it and shit.
I'm glad you waited on us to get here.
Well,
Wasn't no sense waiting on us.
I mean,
Time's money.
My day up. We live in a trailer.
Cody, a $7 million bull rider. Fred, you get enough?
Huh?
Get enough?
Yeah.
Well, let's get back. Stop and get some more paint. All right, Fred, we got back. Still no decals. What's hold up? What do you reckon? We're gonna have to go chase FedEx down? See if we can't find any Hamlin.
Yep.
Had to take a 10-200, get rid of lunch. I'm gonna go ahead and spray these wheels. Just went by and got some more paint. A rattle can and the paint lay down on this thing. But yep, like I said, still no numbers. Clean these things up with a little purple power first. Get them clean. Put a final coat on them and we'll lay some paint on them. That way they shine. They look good for 10 feet anyway. Got excited. Both of us did, dang. It's mail. Ain't FedEx. Oh well. I wonder what a small block be like one of them things. Hey, what do you think small block Chevrolet doing one of them mail trucks?
All the mail.
Huh? All the mail?
All the mail.
Bullshit. All right, got them cleaned up, wiped down. Let them dry and be time to spray paint them black. Fred doing the finishing touches over here before he lays some paint down. How you gonna get that fixed, Fred? The hole in there. How you gonna get that hole fixed?
Stick that right there. Right.
You got it, Chip Foose. Brought my wheels out here in the grass. Didn't want to get my concrete. Went ahead and got them sprayed black so they'll fit the Hooters Pro Cup Throwback. Let's go in here and check Fred out. He done started laying some paint. I was just in here. He had that Darth Vader mask on. Got the fans, some circulation going. Fred, you are my father. Or whatever that Star Wars line is. Ain't never seen it.
Luke, I am your father.
Luke,
Yeah.
John,
Luke, John,
that Baptist stuff.
No matter what your mama says, I'm your father. You know this like well?
Oh boy, the moment we've waited for. Graphics is here. Come on back in, Dale Jarrett. In the big brown truck. UPS just got here. Got some runs. Cover them up. Hell, it's black. Well, Fred got her finished up. Rain snuck in on us, so I had to bring everything from outside inside. When I'm gonna pass and charge, I had to close the door. A big storm done come through on us. Fred done a mighty fine job, though. We're gonna put vinyl on the hood and I think the deck lid, and then we'll be good to go. Our vinyl's here, but our decals and GXS wraps got put on the other UPS truck. So hopefully they'll be here by today. So what do you do? As y'all can see, there's a big old rain shower come through. Big White got a free wash with a little bit of sap included. What we're gonna do, Fred, take the hood in my house and lay vinyl to it?
Yeah, I guess.
That's what we gotta do. Got the wheels black, so that's always a plus.
Yeah, I still need
Lay vinyl out in there in the floor like you're a kid in there.
to do the side skirts and
Side skirts in the hood with the vinyl.
hood, I guess.
Since the vinyl got here, that's what UPS brought earlier. We'll get these side skirts wrapped up. We got it laid out in here in the floor, trace it out, put it over on the eating table. It's a heck of a lot cooler in here anyway. Precise eye cutting it. Got one side skirt down, got one more to go.
That's why when they ship from Summit that I want to order, that's why I like to go to the store.
So it gets there on time. You ain't waiting on UPS. Still ain't got our numbers yet. Got the side skirts done, then we're gonna pull the tape off. We're afraid it got done laying some paint down. Hopefully UPS will hurry up and get here and we can finish up our Hooters Pro Cup Throwback. See that new windshield again. Whew, that thing's pretty clean.
Oh.
Fred cleaned the windshield off, so we'll put a piece of plastic over it. Fred ain't never had no brand new windshield before, so he's gonna take good care of it. Get this 5-star stuff out of the way. No scratches. Well, we have just talked to UPS, as we had got wondering, as it is getting later in the day. So called UPS up, and they have lost the decals that was gonna be the Hooters Pro Cup Throwback. So said it'd take 2 to 5 business days to process and see if they could find it. So what does that mean? That means there's a 91% chance of rain. Yeah, I use AccuWeather. Tomorrow night at Tri-County Motor Speedway, so we're gonna stay here in Jefferson. Don't wanna waste the effort. Didn't get to do a Hooters Pro Cup Throwback scheme just yet like we thought. Hopefully UPS will find them, or maybe Steven could cut some more with GXS wraps. So I plan on going to Tri-County tomorrow night and then Hickory the next weekend, and then Anderson Motor Speedway in South Carolina home track on July 28th. So, but summertime, it rains all the time. But thank y'all for hanging out with us. Was hoping y'all was gonna get to see what our Hooters Pro Cup Throwback scheme was gonna be, but looks like you're gonna have to wait, you guessed it, 2 to 5 business days. So thank y'all for the support. We plan on giving y'all a lot more content here soon. Y'all know what to do. Like, comment, hit that little subscribe button, help us out. Y'all take care.